Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. I'm here to help brand new crafters go from feeling overwhelmed, uncreative, and unsure how to begin to feeling inspired, excited, and proud to share their new creations.
I've got a really great project for you today. This holds 6 Ferrero Rocher chocolates, and it's in a little drawer, so you can close that up, and it's got an easel card on the top. You can close that easel card, and then it's quite flat, or you can pop it open, and you'll be able to see the message that you've stamped, and you can also write a message on the white cardstock here. Next step, burnish all those score lines. Now grab your scissors and we're going to do a little bit of cutting. I'll add a link to the template that shows you how this cutting should look. The next step, mat all of these pieces of designer series paper onto your cardstock. Your largest piece of designer series paper will be mounted on another layer of cardstock. Later, we'll be attaching this to the easel card. But for now, let's start putting together the box. This piece will form the drawer. This next step is optional, but I like to add a thumb hole on one of the short sides that will become the front of the drawer. If you'd like to do that too, use a ruler and a pencil to mark out the approximate center. I learned the hard way that my circle punch won't go through all these layers at once, so I'm going to line up each layer one at a time. Next, add some tear and tape to each of your small tabs. One of these tabs is going to slightly overlap the thumb hole, so I'm even going to cut the thumb hole on there. Now I can remove the backing from my tear and tape and fold in all the tabs to create the drawer. The only piece of the drawer that gets decorated is that front piece. And now we get to fill it with chocolates. Next, let's assemble the box that the drawer slides in and out of. Once again, we'll put tear and tape on the 2 small tabs. We're also going to put tear and tape on one of the large tabs. Notice it's on the opposite side to the small tabs. And finally, we'll put tear and tape on one of the side tabs. Next, let's decorate that box. I'm going to start removing the backing on some of my pieces of tear and tape. And notice that I move my silicone mat into position so that the sticky part lands on the mat and not on my working surface. Press down with your bone folder to apply pressure and get the adhesive to stick. The box is done and the drawer is done. All that's left is the easel card. Here's how the easel card looks from the side view. The piece with the white cardstock on it will be the inside of your easel card. Apply adhesive only to the small portion of the easel card and then attach your large DSP piece. Apply adhesive to the whole back of the easel card and pop that on the top of the box. Now we just need to create the stopper to keep the easel card portion in place. Stamp a sentiment on the white piece of cardstock. Then mat it onto the colored cardstock. And finally, attach it to the top of your box using dimensionals. This will prop the easel card open. The easel card needs just a bit of decoration, so I'm going to stamp a Christmas tree and die cut it out. And there's my finished project. I can't send this one through the mail, but I'd love to send you another card instead. Please share the video for a chance to win. Drop me a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe you'll be receiving a handmade card in the mail from me.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more projects and videos, my events calendar, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'! Bye!